Hey everyone, today we're doing an average out of 5 video on the 3x3. We're going to be using the free timer, cubetimer.com. It's probably just glowing because I'm looking at the camera and it's glowing. As you can see, this setup is like 10,000 times better than my old one because I was using the computer timer, not the actual phone or something like that. So I have a piece of paper and a pen. I'm going to write down my 5 solves, and whichever one is in the middle, time-wise, then I will count that as my average. So I'm gonna do green in front, white on top, F2, D, R2, D, U, B2, U prime, R, L prime, F, U, F, B2, D, U2, F prime, R, B, L2, R prime, B2, D, R prime, D prime, R. Okay. Inspection, starting, wait, what? No, I don't want a new window. What? Is that selected? Wait, I'm gonna restart the app because it's not really working properly. Okay, I still have my scramble though. Okay. Now I am going to start inspecting now. Oh, this is a really bad solve. For me, anyway. Imagine if somebody comments, "Whoa, is that a world record?" That would be so cringy. Yeah, this is a horrible solve. I don't think this is going to be the one in the middle. For sure, it's not. Oh, come on, GC code. Okay, that is pretty bad. That's me. But anyway, let me write the 4193. Okay. This pen is really bad. 41.93. Okay. 41.93 is a really bad solve for me. Anyway, green front, right on top, as you can see. And I'm going to U2, B, F, R2, U, B2, R, B, U prime, D2, R2, L2, F2, L2, R prime, F prime, U prime, R, B2, U prime, R prime, L, D2, F prime, L. So inspect. Wait, okay, it's working. I'm not going to look at the timer and discourage myself, which will probably happen. Okay, that's a okay solve, to be honest. Okay, 34.40 2. Okay, I think that looks like what's gonna be in the middle. I'm gonna get like 220 something solves, and then like one more 30 solve. So that's probably what's gonna happen. Okay, L prime, D2, D prime, U prime, L2, F2, R2, F, R prime, U prime, R prime, F prime, B2, D prime, F, U prime, F, U, B2, U prime, D prime, R2, L prime, U, D2. Inspect. Okay, now looking for my next F12 pair. I'm gonna unpair that. Yeah. Yes. Yes, that's pretty okay. That's kind of like my average. 32, 29, 29.50, and 32 are kind of my average. Once you kind of get faster, like your average kind of gets narrowed down to a couple seconds, kind of like that. So 29.61. Okay. Yeah, it's going out kind of like how I expected. Okay, anyway, B, L prime, D prime, B, R2, L, U prime, R, D2, F, U prime, F, D prime, F prime, L prime, R, B, L2, D prime, B prime, F prime, D2, U, R2, D2. Inspection. Okay. I know I'm doing horrible, but I'm not gonna look to make myself feel bad like I said before. Yeah, I looked. I'm too. Now I'm discouraged myself. Okay, I guess that is gonna be probably my average. 36.7. F R2, U2, B, D, R2, U, R2, U, F2, L prime, U, F2, R prime, D, F prime, D prime, F2, R prime, B, U, B prime, F2, U prime, D prime. Wait, yeah, that's D prime. Okay, inspection. We can't do that. Yeah, I will turn it that way so I can bring it down. Oh, sweet! Okay, that was way faster than you guys tell what that was, but I think that was 32 something. I think, so I'm just gonna write 32 point, doesn't really matter because it's only 32 seconds so ahead, so I'll just do like 41. Anyway. Now the average is, okay, which one is in the middle of these? It's the 3s, so it has to be 30 seconds. So now I look at which one is in the middle. I have 4, so it's 34.42. So I kind of guessed my average. So 34.42 is my average out of 5. If you want to guys see a cool mod that you can do to your pyramids, so you can like, I guess you have a better grip to it.